I've been wanting to try this for so long. We have chicken tikka masala and we have pizza. So I got myself a regular pizza without any toppings because I just wanted to try this as it is. So let's check that out. The tanginess from the masala. Oh my god. We got a piece of chicken. This is the best thing I've ever had all day. You guys need to give this a try. This combination is insane. It's so good. Another go. Chicken piece. This is a deadly combination. And the spice is starting to kick now. Overall, I give it a 1000 out of 10. Give it a try yourself. It's insane.